US crude WTI taking the support from $74 levels has seen a good rise and in fact has gone past $76.5. At the same time, NG broke below $6 levels, which is a critical resistance level, and has traded till towards 5.6 5.7 zone. So what to expect today now? Which position we should take in order to profit? What should be the targets? How to trade today? Crude oil WTI and NG we will see with the help of charts and indicators. First, we look into oil, followed with NG. Watch till the end. Trade as per the levels. Put a trailing stop loss if possible, and always trade with a stop loss. Trade accordingly. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. First, we look into oil here, and oil on the hourly charts. If you look at, see, now let me show you something here on the hourly charts. Now look at the oil's behavior on the hourly charts. This is a broader channel and this is a minor channel. Now on the upside this is a broader line and on the downside this is a minor line. So this is how oil is trying to trade on the hourly charts. Now if you look at very clear on the upside you will find 78, definitely I have told you yesterday also 78-77 zone is a very good resistance. On the downside if you look at, see here 75 and 74.5 levels are definitely very good resistance level. Now this zone, this complete channel is a bullish channel, you can clearly see. The median here is now at 76, 75.8 levels. Below that, little more bearishness might pull in till towards 75.5, 75 levels, which are going to be a very good support. So for the day, only bearish confirmation, only bearishness we may expect is below 75, 74.5 levels. We'll try to find out our entry levels here. See, direction movement here is bullish. Stochastic is, MACD is also bullish here, divergent. Stochastic is overbought. RSI is comfortable there, not showing any signs. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, if you look closely here, the performance of the 2-hour charts, you will find that it is trying to trade in this channel. Now this is definitely a bullish channel and the highs of this are above 80, that is close to 82 levels. Now first thing is it has to break past 78 for it to achieve the next milestone. I will wait today for it to break past those zones in order to trade bullish. Now look at the 2-hour charts here. More closely if you look at the charts, you can find that 76 is a good resistance, then 75.5. So possibly if you see it trading below 75.8 today, you can sell for 75.5, 75.2 and then 74.5 and 74.8. Till here it has got very good support and only if it breaks below 74.5, you can expect that there could be a little more bearishness which oil might show. At the same time on the upside, you can find out, see this complete movement so far is engulfed between this candle and this also indicates that 76.5 levels are going to be a good resistance there on the upside. Rather I will say yes, you can buy at 76.5, then expect 76.8, 77.2 levels. Now look, directional movement here is bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD divergent and bullish, and it appears it has seen the highs and probably it may show you few red candles here. RSI trying to slope or trying to trade with a negative slope here. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Most importantly on the 3-hour charts, it has created a base here. It is trying to trade in green. And here if you see, this is the first green candle. Now if you see it trading above this zone at 76.5 or 76.8 in next candle, probably you can expect that oil is trying to give you a breakout here, which might take it below 70, beyond 77 and 78 levels, which is definitely a very stronger resistance. So yes, you can buy at 76.5 and then expect it to rise till the time it trades below 76.5. And yes, on the downside, below 75.5 is only a sell entry. However, the support will come at 75, 74.5 and 74. And if you see the movement of oil, you can see it is the resistance level are gradually shifting upwards. Previously, I told you $73 is a good support the day before. Now, yesterday it was 74 and today it is 75 levels. Rather, I will say yesterday it was 73 and today it is 74. So only below 74 you can expect that oil might drop more. Till the time it trades above 74, possibility for it to rise exists. Here also it is bullish. It is near to overbought. It is bullish here, and the RSI is also looking upwards on the 3-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, see this complete movement is engulfed within this candle. It means that there is a stronger resistance at 76.5, 76.8 zone, and only if it breaks past this, you can expect that there is little more bullishness which it might show. Hence, you have to trade with caution till there. It is directional movement is divergent and bullish. Stochastic is looking upwards, and if you look at the MACD, this is crossing over here. This is a bullish cross. This is divergent. We may see bullishness there. RSI looking upwards, and if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. The new candle here is yet to begin. Definitely it is trying to show you higher lows. At the same time, the resistance there at 78 is very strong, and only if you see it trading above 78 today, you can consider that we are looking forward to 80, which is the highs of this channel. So first thing is, yes, if you see it trading above 76.5, you can buy. Expect 76.8, 77.2, 78, and then beyond that we may see very strong rise for 79.2 and 80 levels. Only above 80, a little more rise to be expected. Till 80, till 78, you have to trail your stop losses. And on the downside, you can sell at 75.5, but then expect 75 first support, 74.5 next, 74 the third support. Only and only if it breaks below 74, you can expect a good draw for 73, 71 and 70 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Now see NG on the hourly chart, sharp drop, and in fact it has gone till towards 5.66, 5.65 levels, retracement for 5.8, and now again trying to trade with a drop. So possibly on the hourly chart it is trying to create something like this, and the bottom of this is somewhere here at around 5.55 for the day, 5.6, 5.55 levels. So first thing is, yes, if you see it trading above 5.8, you can buy and expect 5.9, 5.85, 5.9 to 5, in fact $6 levels to be seen, and beyond that it may trade strongly bullish. Directional movement here is bearish and trying to converge. The stochastic is near to overbought, now looking downwards, and if you look at the MACD, this is crossed over, this is divergent, this is bullish, it is looking upwards. The RSI has come out of the oversold zone. Hence NG on the hourly chart, it appears that it may show little strength. But look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts here, there is a gap. It is traded bearish and it is trying to trade in this channel. And hence, yes, it has to trade past 5.8 today. Beyond that only you can expect 6, and then beyond that it is may try to fill the gap till towards 6.4, 6.5 levels. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic is bearish, trying to converge from here. Let's see if it crosses over for a buy. RSI is trading oversold. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, similar is the observation. But look at this here. On the 3-hour charts, it is traded a bottom here at 5.7. And hence, yes, if you see it trading below 5.7, you can sell here and buy it above, say, 5.8. In between these 10 cents, you should not take any trade. And if you look at the directional movement here, it is extremely divergent and bearish. There is a possibility of a rise. The MACD is similarly reflecting the same. The stochastic is also oversold. The RSI is also oversold. This indicates that there is a possibility of a rise. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, likewise, it is trying to trade in green, but let's see how far it can. The directional movement is still bearish. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is also near to bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, the first red candle is here with higher highs, lower lows. If you look at the complete movement from 5.8 to 5.66, you can see it is almost 50 cents. Only confirmation of it to reverse is above $6 levels. Once it trades above 6, you can see it rising further till towards 6.4, 6.6 level. Till the time it trades below 6, there could be little probability that it may show you little drop. However, for the day, yes, you can buy at 5.8. Still, you can expect 5.8, 5.9, then 5.95, and then 6. Till 6, it has got good resistance. Beyond that, you can expect 6.12, 6.2 levels, and beyond that, it is going to fly high. So, buy at 5.8, sell at 5.7 for 5.65, 5.6. And then below that, a good drop can be expected, which might take it for 5.4 and 5.3. Remember, 5.3 is a triple bottom level. Below that, certainly we may see it dropping till towards $5 levels. Take your positions accordingly. You have to trail your stop losses on the upside or downside, whichever position you take. Either shift your stop loss to your entry price so that your trade closes in profit in case of a reversal, or put a trailing stop loss. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.